Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open a file with .gem extensions in Windows computer and Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so if you're using an Android smartphone also, so you will be gonna have to use the same applications which I'm gonna show you here. So here you can see here on my desktop screen, so I have one file with a .gem extension. So let me show its properties also. So you can see here type of the file is .gem file, right? So if I click on open with also, I don't have any inbuilt software or applications that can play it by default, right? So for this, what you need to do, just open any web browser and in the Google just search for application name is Skillsoft Video Editor, and on the first list I will see its official website. So if you're using an Android smartphone, then just go to the Play Store and just search for this application name as Skillsoft Gem Player. So this both the player is free of cost, so you can use any one of them on your respective Windows or Android devices. So if you're using a smartphone, then just go to the Play Store and get this application name as Skillsoft Gem Player. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll go to its official website, and now you can see here a download options. So I'll just click on this pre-download to download this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double left click this installer to install this application. Now click on install to proceed with the installation. Click on install, wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So our file has been installed successfully. You can just click on launch free player. Now you can see here, you can see the user interface of this video player. So you can see here by default now it is auto selected the gem files. That means this free video player from the Skillsoft can play the .gem file extensions. So what really is .gem file? It is a encrypted video file that is especially used by this Skillsoft company to encrypt the respective video files. So let me try to open this file by clicking on open, and let me locate to the desktop. Let me select this file, click on open. So it is a password protected. So in order to play this .gem file, which is encrypted gem file, I need to put the password. So you must know the password to enable to play this password protected gem file, and if it is not password protected, then you can directly play it. So let me put the password for this gem file. Now click on OK. So you can see I'm able to play this .gem file using this free video player from the Skillsoft. So this is the way how to open a file with .gem extensions in Windows computer and Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about how to open a file with .gem extensions on your respective Windows computer and Android smartphone, then you should definitely try this applications. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.